Hey there, beautiful people. My name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Draw Too Much and Legacy Studio. I'm going to keep this video very brief because it's just a very quick update for you on the NOODLERS AHAB, which you know I have quite an opinion on right now. But I gotta admit, the amazing people at Goulet pens have saved the day. And I want to quickly talk to you about what suggestions they gave me that have worked awesome to make this pen actually pretty bearable so far. And actually, I would say more than bearable. Now it smells okay, very okay. I sent them an email because I ordered some pens from them. They came in, another review I'll be doing in a future video another day. But I sent them an email and I asked them, as for, I have a pen, a NOODLERS AHAB that I didn't buy from you guys that stinks incredibly bad. Do you have any suggestions, or can you suggest any other pens from NOODLERS that I could try that don't have that smell? And they said, as for your NOODLERS AHAB smell, this is actually completely normal for the pen. The scent is actually due to the material of the pen, also known as vegetal resin. It's a biodegradable material that has a very unique smell. The smell dissipates over time, or you can try soaking your pen in Autoban. We've heard from other customers this works well. The plastic material of the converter can be discolored as well. Some of that brown you're seeing may also be greased to ensure that the mechanism functions properly. We've also heard that letting the pen sit in coffee for a day or a couple days can help with the smell, although I see that you tried to paint your AHAB, which didn't go so well. Haha. Yeah, very true. So what I ended up doing was scraping off the paint. I used alcohol and a Brillo pad and went to town on this pen. So it's scraped up now, but here's the thing. I brought it in just the shell of the pen. I left the ink cartridge and the nib and the feed at home. Brought just the 3 pieces of this acrylic, this vegetal resin into work, and poured myself a cup of coffee and just threw this into that cup of coffee for the whole day. I left it overnight, came back this morning and reassembled the pen, put it together, and honestly, it smells like coffee. And after a good cleaning and making sure that I cleaned off all the residue and everything like that, it smells like coffee. I'm actually very pleased about that. I think if anything still has a smell, it's honestly the actual ink cartridge itself, and as long as that is heavily contained in the pen, I'm very pleased with the final result. And even this, which definitely does have that smell, is beginning to smell of coffee just a little bit because it's sitting within this cap that's been full of coffee for a whole day. So, and I gotta admit, guys, I mentioned it before in my review that this pen is absolutely incredible with its thin lines and its thick lines. The flex nib on the NOODLERS is incredible. So I'm very thankful to say that this pen is back in my bag. I could smell it all day and it's not going to bother me, and I am so thankful for Goulet pens for their suggestion. It absolutely worked. In saying that, some other pens that don't have the smell that we could suggest would be the NOODLERS Conrad. Comes in acrylic acetate style with a few different color options, and NOODLERS Nepenset, which is made out of a different material as well, and will have the same, will not have the same scent. The Nepenset also has 3 tined nib that allows for even greater line variation, which has me very interested. They're both a little bit more expensive. And then lastly, the NOODLERS Boston Safety Pen, which is made out of ebonite and will not have the same scent as the AHAB either. So a couple different options to look at, and if you're willing to put a little time into this, simply take it, stick it in coffee for a day or two, and it seems like that does the trick. If this changes back to its original scent, I'll let you know, but I don't want to leave this hanging because I've heard so many good things about NOODLERS. Anyone who has talked to the folks at NOODLERS has been very thankful for them. I have not had that opportunity. I just really want to, I like being in the front with you guys on information, even when it's not completely certain. And then if I get it fixed, I like to just update you with the actual results. So I'm very excited to put this back in my bag and make this a part of my kit again, because now it's not going to stink up my bag with that vegetal resin smell. So I gotta go, but keep it crispy. First Tim 412. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time right here on Draw Too Much in Legacy Studio. Y'all behave, and now I can say that you can go and get your pen and enjoy this beautiful thin to thick line with the awesome flex nib that comes with this one. And I've tried a couple of other pens that have flex nibs. This one is still my favorite for the nib. And now, since it doesn't smell, it's becoming more and more intriguing again as one of my favorite pens, which I'm incredibly thankful to say. So, all right, love you guys. See you later.